Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the Igla-S air defense system and the Hermes-900 which Indian Army and Indian Air Force will be inducting soon. So first of all, about the point of discussion, first we'll be looking at the news, then about Igla-S air defense system, then Hermes-900 unmanned air vehicle, and then the Igla-S assembled in India or manufactured in India, few of its parts, and in the end a prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Science and Tech. We have seen that in UPSC prelims many a times the name can be asked and which technology it is associated with and which country it is associated with. So the news talks about that Army set to receive Igla-S air defense systems partially assembled in India. So it is saying partially assembled in India. So few of the parts can be manufactured and then they will be assembled in India, while it will be the technology transfer will be done with Russia. So what has happened recently is that Army is all set to begin receiving another set of Russian Igla-S very short range air defense system. So country associated is Russia, and it is saying another set. It means already we have received a set of Russian Igla-S very short range air defense system. Then Army is also set to receive the first of two Israeli Hermes-900 UAV, that is the unmanned air vehicle, and it is medium altitude long endurance. Medium altitude and for long endurance. So let us see it separately. So first of all, that how they will be assembled in India. So the Igla-S systems were contracted last year under the 4th tranche of the emergency procurement. So under the emergency procurement, the Indian Army has been inducting few of the equipments that they feel that India needs them on an emergency basis, and which will empower more the Indian Army and which will be helpful in increasing the power capabilities of Indian Army. And then they will be assembled by the Adani Defense Systems and Technologies, and this will be done through technology transfer. So technology transfer with country Russia, and few of the parts will be manufactured in India by the Adani Defense Systems and Technology, and then they will be assembled in India. So the Army has contracted 48 Igla-S launchers, 100 missiles, 48 night sites, and 1 missile testing station under our 260 crore contracts, and all this has been done under the emergency procurement, and this emergency procurement came into existence after the Uri attack. Then the VSHORAD, that is the Igla-S air defense system, which is for a very short period and very short distance also. So it is a very short range air defense system. Very short range air defense system. It means that what can be done is, if any of the missiles we see coming, then this VSHORAD or Igla-S, it can detect, those missiles can be detected, and then through these launchers, because they are portable launchers, through these launchers those missiles can be intercepted. So it is a air defense system. So it is basically surface to air missiles. So they are surface to air missiles, and the range is from 500 meters to 6 kilometers, and that is why they are called very short range air defense systems. And then they are also referred to as the soldiers' last line of defense. because they are portable and they are carried by humans. Let me show you a picture. Okay, look at this picture. This is how exactly it looks like. So this portion can be put like this, and then this is the above portion. So this is exactly how it looks like, and that is why it is called a soldier's last line of defense against the enemy combat aircraft, helicopters and UAV in the multi-layered air defense network, because it is portable and that the soldiers can use it for their defense, and if that can also not help, it means that there is a problem, and that is why it is called the last line of defense against the enemy. Then missile, which is meant for neutralizing low altitude aerial threats at short ranges, is propelled by a dual thrust solid motor. So low altitude, and that is why it is called very short range air defense system, that is from 500 meters to 6 kilometers. Then design of the missile including launcher has been highly optimized to ensure easy portability. See, there are two different items in this. First is this and then the other one. So this portion you can say is the launch plate on which the missile would be kept, because that is how it is used. This is exactly how it looks like. Then it is also known as men portable air defense system, because it can be carried by humans or men from one place to another place, and there are different equipments which are involved in this. That is like the launch tube is there, sights through which a person who is using it can set the targets. Then there is battery in that also. Then there is grip stock through which the soldier uses it on its shoulder. Then Mandap, which is a man portable air defense system. They are surface to air missiles. They are lightweight in the sense that it can be carried by the soldier on their shoulder. So the system consists of a missile inside a tube, grip stock and a battery to charge the missile, and that is how it goes. So if this is the setup, then this is the grip stock and this is the missile. So the missile will move from the grip stock. Then comes the next, and which is the Hermes-900 UAV. So this is Hermes-900 UAV. It is Israeli. So this is how it looks like, Hermes-900. It is an upgraded version of Hermes-900. So you can say the Hermes-900 unmanned aerial vehicle and also the Starliner. So it is Israeli made medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. So this is what its specialty is, that it is UAV, and it can carry a range of multi-sensor payloads weighing up to 450 kg for multiple applications. So multi-sensor payloads can be carried through it. Then a wingspan of 17 meter and a maximum takeoff weight of 1600 kg. So it will actually increase the, first of all, the man holding capacity of people. It can carry soldiers from one place to another place, and this can also be very helpful for both army and also for the air force, and this can also help in the shifting of the logistics for the army. Then the flight endurance of up to 36 hours. So this is also where it will be very helpful. Then it can carry electronic warfare payloads to provide airborne electronic attack capability, and it is equipped with radar, target indicators, radar and then maritime patrol radar. So it is very much equipped with modern facilities, and also the radar system of Hermes-900 is very, very strong. It means that it will be able to detect what is going on in the enemy territory, and also if there is any kind of danger which is for the army. So if we will look at both of these, what we should remember is that Hermes is Israeli, Igla-S is Russia. This thing we need to be very clear about, and this thing which we need to remember. Then Igla-S is air defense system, while Hermes-900 is, you can say, unmanned aerial vehicle. These are the second things which you need to remember. Then from Igla-S, it is portable, can be carried by men from one place to another place. Then last line of defense, and both of these are coming under the emergency procurement of the Indian Army. So now in the end of prelims practice question, this is of 2018 PYQ. See how things are asked. It is asking what is thermal high altitude air defense, that is THAAD, sometimes seen in the news. So imagine if instead of THAAD it replaces it with Igla-S, or it replaces it with Hermes-900. So these kind of questions, and this is the style, or you can say this is the pattern in which question is being asked. An Israeli radar system, India's indigenous anti-missile program, an American anti-missile system, or a defense collaboration between Japan and South Korea. So this is how the options are also being set. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.